That's bum sex.
Butt cheeks.
Na.
Fania drwsyd.
Mae gen ni cofis iaith yn hynna, oes? Dwi wedi dod i Barri heddiw i weld os dyn nhw'n gwybod beth i hanner y termau da ni'n iwsio. A we, siarad Cymraeg, mate? Ti isio quiz bach?
Oh, go on then.
First though, I'm going to ask you, do you know what a cofi is?
It's like a roll sandwich.
Bread roll.
Gogs.
Gogs.
We're
I mean,
Hontus.
it's someone from Carnarvon.
Yeah, I've never heard that.
What a place. Best castle in the world. Fuck, come in, basically.
Oh, like steaming.
Nasty.
Nah, that's an English word.
Nag oes does dim.
Guess you fuck cofi in, neithiwr.
No, give us a clue.
I wake up every morning with one.
Fania drwsyd.
What?
Smelly fanny.
Fanny drewllyd, don't you think? Means a heart on.
Oh,
Wow.
I mean, I think you used to have these on a regular basis about 30 years ago. Maybe not as much now.
Minor strikes.
Got like a dick.
O, ni'n gwybod yn union be mae'n siarad amdano di. Defo, siarad Cymraeg.
Do I? Yeah.
Da iawn, it's a hard on.
Jesus.
That's what it is. Oh, un yn embarrassed efo'r rhieni. Generational reaction da. Siarad Cymraeg, got a quick quiz. Mae hwn yn gallu mynd fo'n i trwbl, apparently.
Yeah, I heard that. Well, maybe well speaking.
Siarad Cymraeg?
No.
Na? O, na mae'n cachu, barod.
I know what he said then. He got clever, Dickie. You.
Siarad Cymraeg. A i deal fac yn wheel. Gynna fi ffwc o charm o merchaid. A da dangos hwn i'r bodan, ia.
Amy had a wing.
Withdraw.
Mwydro.
Is that Welsh?
Mwydro.
That's bum sex.
Mwydro. You're very good at guessing, yeah.
Fuck off. Is it like messing about?
You're on the right. I'd tell you all to stop. Mwydro. Na.
Ringy.
Na.
Being loud.
Sort of. Mwydro means bullshitting.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you.
Gynna fi ffwc o charm o merchaid. Ah, shit the bed. Behind. Paid o fod yn Jiclyd.
Don't be cheeky. Cheeky.
Spot on. Dim yn siarad Cymraeg, mae ass.
That's fuck off.
Na.
Cheeks.
As in,
Butt cheeks.
na.
I don't know.
Don't be cheeky. No.
Na.
Don't be a twat. No.
Don't be cheeky, yeah, sorry. My head was all over the place.
What is
there.
it? Don't be
Wow.
cheeky?
Yeah.
You don't know what you're doing, do you?
Cheeky. Yeah, you've got it. Jiclyd. O, hon di jumpio fewn hon i busnesu di. Leisi.
Welshie.
Leisi.
Welshie.
Leisi.
Welshie.
Leisi.
Lazy.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the Leisi today.
The pub?
The club. Pub. Leisure centre.
Oh, nailed it.
Different
Spot on.
ideas of going out.
I'm glad for shit.
There we are, nailed it. Nailed it. Hey, finally got one.
I thought you could talk about proper Welsh words, not that. Like o flaen y tân and my bachgen yn chwarae pêl-droed and stuff like that.
Jaman.
Yeah, Jaman boss.
It's like a hello, is it?
Nah, no chance.
Like mate, buddy.
Nah, no, we're not Jamaican. If someone fell over, we'd go, haha, Jaman.
I love that term.
Like the gato, hwnna wan.
Drink.
Crink.
Blink.
Crink, yeah.
That'd be like a drink.
Yeah, that's how I said
Yeah.
Just give me a clue.
You're all crinks.
Oh,
Boys.
Nah,
Some men.
nah,
Students.
nah.
Idiot.
Idiots.
But who are you doing this for, not him?
Just here to please my mother, to be honest with you. Yo, mum.
Any prizes for guessing?
Oh, absolutely not. This is for seeing this is, remember. Deal.
We'll teach you one.
Yeah, go on then. Go on, give it.
Potten.
Potten.
Potten, yeah.
Potten.
Yeah.
I'm guessing you're calling me a dickhead or something.
No.
Potten means banana.
No.
Botan
It
is
means
Botan is idiot.
Idiot.
Idiot. Oh, so crink means button.
Yeah.
Oh, deal. Bach, ni oer, am ice cream. Dyn nhw'n onas efo chdi, ha. Wonderful. Diolch yn fawr, ladies. Mae'n ni'n gorau ffocin talu. Hwyl fawr i chi, genethod. Oh, lovely.